They don't always scream. They don't always argue. Sometimes, manipulators destroy you quietly. They smile in your face while planting seeds of doubt in your mind. And before you even realize it, you start questioning yourself. This is how manipulators win, not with power, but with psychology. So today, let's uncover 7 psychological tricks manipulators use to break you slowly. Because once you see them, you can never unsee them. Have you ever walked away from a conversation feeling wrong, but you couldn't explain why? Like somehow you ended up apologizing, even when they hurt you? That's not an accident. That's manipulation at work. Understanding these mind games isn't just about spotting toxic people. It's about protecting your peace, your self-respect, and your mental strength. So listen closely. Because these tricks are subtle, but deadly. 1. Gaslighting. It's all in your head. This one's a classic. They twist your reality until you don't trust your own memory. You say, "You yelled at me yesterday." They reply, "What? I never did that." You're imagining things. And now, you start to doubt yourself. Gaslighting works because it replaces your truth with their version of it. The moment you start defending your sanity, they've already won. But here's the antidote. When something feels wrong, write it down. Keep records. Reality can't be erased when it's in front of you. 2. The silent treatment. Punishing you with silence. They don't have to yell to hurt you. Sometimes they just stop talking. They vanish. No calls, no messages. You start wondering what you did wrong. You feel desperate to fix things. That's exactly what they want: control. Their silence forces you to chase them, to beg for connection. Here's the truth. You don't owe anyone your peace of mind. When someone uses silence to control you, match it with self-respect. Don't chase, choose yourself. 3. Guilt tripping. If you loved me, you'd do this. Ever heard that line before? Manipulators weaponize your kindness. They make you feel guilty for setting boundaries. If you say no, they say, "Wow, I thought you cared." Now you're defending yourself instead of standing firm. Remember, guilt is a tool for control. Healthy people respect your no, manipulators fear it. The moment you stop reacting to guilt, you take your power back. 4. Love bombing. You're everything I ever wanted. At first, it feels magical. They shower you with compliments, attention, affection. It's overwhelming, and that's the point. They're building emotional dependency fast. You start trusting them, lowering your guard. Then one day they pull it all away, suddenly cold, distant. And now you'll do anything to get that love back. That's how they trap you. Real love is consistent, not explosive. If someone moves too fast, too perfect, too soon, step back and breathe. 5. Playing the victim. You're the bad guy here. This is one of their sharpest weapons. They twist the story until you look cruel and they look innocent. They'll cry, act helpless, or say, "After everything I've done for you, this is how you treat me." And you end up feeling like the villain even when you're the one who got hurt. It's manipulation through pity. They control you by making you feel sorry for them. But remember this: empathy is your strength, not your weakness. Just don't waste it on those who use it as a weapon. 6. Triangulation. Making you compete for their approval. They'll compare you to someone else, a friend, an ex, a coworker. You know, Sarah never complains like you do. It's a subtle way of saying, "You're not enough." And suddenly you're trying harder, just to earn back their validation. That's how they stay in control. Healthy people don't make you compete, they make you feel safe. If someone keeps turning your life into a contest, walk away. You're not playing to win. You're playing to lose yourself. 7. Projection. Blaming you for what they're doing. They cheat, but accuse you of lying. They insult, but say you're too harsh. It's like looking in a mirror they've turned backward. They throw their flaws at you so they can stay spotless. Projection works because it confuses you. You end up defending yourself instead of noticing their behavior. Here's the fix. Don't explain. Don't argue. Just observe. When someone keeps blaming you for what they do, that's their confession in disguise. Now here's the truth most people miss. Manipulators don't need to control everyone. They just need to control you. And they do it by finding your weakness, your empathy, your love, your loyalty. But the moment you start seeing these tricks clearly, you break the spell. You realize you don't need to explain your worth. You don't need to chase love that hurts. And you don't need to play games to keep anyone. You just need to stand still and see who stays when you stop playing. So tell me, which of these psychological tricks have you seen before? Drop it in the comments. Let's expose them together. And if this video helped you see things differently, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more deep truths about the mind, power, and peace. Because once you understand the game, no manipulator can ever win again.